We're introducing a notable personality, the Governor, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, ably represented by the Attorney General of Lagos State, Mr. Moyosore Onigbanjo, SAN. Please welcome him.
The President of the Nigerian Bar Association, my good brother and friend, Mr. Olumide Akpata, the Chairman of the Section on Business Law, Mr. Yuli Jemide, another good friend, my sister, the General Secretary of our Bar Association, Joyce Odua, members of the Nigerian Bar Association Executive Committee, the Chairman of the Planning Committee, Mr. Alex Adedigbe, members of the Inner and Outer Bar, the keynote speaker, Wendy Okolo, council members of the SBL, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and members of the press. The Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Olushola Sanwo-Olu, unfortunately, despite his best intentions, cannot be here with us this morning. He had to travel to Abuja yesterday, and he's not back this morning. And he has asked me to represent him. I'm here in dual capacity, representing the governor, and also as the Attorney General of Lagos State, and also as a proud alumni of the Section on Business Law. I will proceed to read the governor's speech. He has a few remarks for us. On behalf of the people and the government of Lagos State, I bid the chairman, members of the SBL Council, and all participants a very warm welcome to the city of aquatic splendor. I'm sure when that speech was written, it wasn't designed to let the showers that fell this morning but it hasn't deterred us, and we're happy to see everybody. Lagos State is excited and thrilled to once again play host to the most intellectually stimulating business law conference in Africa. Over the years, the SBL has taken the front seat in changing the narrative. There are so many similarities between the SBL and Lagos State. Lagos State is the commercial nerve center of Nigeria, indeed Africa. Lagos State is the 5th largest economy in all of Africa. The economy of Lagos State dwarfs that of many countries. And as such, events happening in Lagos State tend to have an effect on what happens in other parts of our federation. The same can be said of the SBL. The SBL has been the pace setter. It has been expanding the frontiers of legal practice. And it is therefore no surprise that the SBL has donated one of its own, its former chairman, to be the current president of our Bar Association. And it is indeed no surprise the giant strides that our brother, the president, is making. So we appreciate the SBL family for all they're doing for the legal profession. In spite of our current realities, the Nigerian Bar Association section on business law has demonstrated resilience, dynamism, and an overriding commitment to stakeholders in the organization of this year's conference. Business unusual has not deterred the SBL. Rather, it is forging ahead to ensure that we make the best of these unusual times. It is this sort of can-do attitude with regards to restoring normalcy that has seen Nigeria ranked 4th by the Economist in the Economist Normalcy Index. This is a ranking of countries who have successfully managed the pandemic, as signified by being able to keep economic activity going despite all odds. Let me therefore commend the council members of this august body, led by the chairman and my brother, Mr. Jemide, for organizing this event. The theme of this year's conference, Retooling Business for Change, Leveraging the Tech Explosion, strikes a chord and delivers an echoing reminder to the public and private businesses, nationally and internationally, that digital transformation is essential to drive businesses and economic growth in order to achieve a competitive edge. The pandemic has brought a lasting change to how we work, and it is high time we embrace this reality. The significance of adapting technology to our businesses cannot be overemphasized. I have no doubt that we have witnessed and are witnessing a revolution in the way we conduct our affairs. This revolution has created a new generation of consumers who want more accessible, portable, flexible, and customized products, services, and transactions. According to a report conducted by PwC at the 24th Annual CEO Survey in 2021, 76% of CEOs are worried about the speed of tech change, and 64% believe that technology will disrupt how they do business in the next 5 years. It is therefore imperative that think tanks, such as the SBL, shepherds our thought process to prepare for the inevitable. The reality is this: the global economy is witnessing the beginning of the fourth industrial revolution, and to remain relevant and succeed, emerging strategies are required to ensure that businesses and indeed governments acquire dexterity critical for survival. And this underscores the importance of this year's conference. With the array of speakers and resource persons lined up, it is evident that there will be robust deliberations, potpourri of ideas on best practices to adopt, to build thriving businesses, and compete in the global marketplace. On our part, as government, we shall not shy away from our responsibilities. We shall continue to provide the infrastructure and processes necessary to ensure Lagos State remains the commercial capital of not only Nigeria, but of the sub-region. We therefore welcome with excitement the partnership that the SBL's 15th Annual Business Law Conference offers the business community of our dear state. In conclusion, let me once again thank the organizers of this occasion for extending an invitation to me, a person who is not learned, if I dare say. I wish all delegates delightful deliberations and remarkable sessions at this year's conference. I thank you all for your kind attention. Thank you very much.